Hi everyone, here's how you can access our lessons and our exercises on Khan Academy. So you'll notice today's date is Thursday, April 29th, and we're starting our introductions to fractions. So under each day, when there's a Khan Academy assignment, you will see that I've placed the class code. It's right here, it's S58YHBKV. And for today, there's 3 things that students are responsible for. There's 2 videos, one introduction to fractions, the second one cutting shapes into equal parts, and the third one is a practice exercise which will be graded. In order to get into this particular website, you need to click on the Khan Academy link. I'll do that right now. And it will take you to a page that looks like this. The next thing you're going to look for is the tab at the bottom that says Learners. Click on that. And it's going to ask you Join Khan Academy. You already have a membership, so you're going to go straight to our class code, and that's this link here. Click it open, and it's going to ask you to enter the code, and the code was S58YHBKV. Continue. Give it a minute. You already have an account, so you're going to go log into your existing account. Click that open. Give it a moment and wait for the Continue with Google to open. Now you'll see that you can actually click on Continue with Google. Click on it. It's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account, so I'm going to sign in. Click on your name. Give it a second. I can see it's just thinking. There we go. Okay, and it's still loading. And you'll know you're in because you'll see your S3000 number. You've got your icon. And then over here where it says assignments, if you click on, it's right underneath your, I guess it's your pet rock with your cool little mask on it. You're going to click on assignments, and it's going to tell you what you have to do, the active assignments. So for today, and you can see it says today, Intro to Fractions, Cutting Shapes into Equal Parts, and Cut Shapes into Equal Parts, which is your practice. Click on each of the start buttons and complete those activities. For tomorrow, we have 2 activities, identifying unit fractions, word problems, and identifying unit fractions. So those are the 2 activities for tomorrow. So for today, it's these 3 things here that you need to have completed. Okay? If you have any questions, you can email me.